I winter sowed this rudbeckia. Isn't it cool? What's your favorite time to be in the garden? For me, it's right before it gets dark. It is so beautiful out here. So I might want to cut a couple things. Come along. All right, I'm gonna put this together real fast. I don't have very much light left, but it's so nice and cool finally. And now it's dark out there, so you can't really see all the detail, but I'll show you some more pictures when it's light tomorrow. That was a lot of fun. So it's the next day, and we've got a lot more light, so let's inspect this and fix it just a little. So it's been in the house with lots of water. Now that I can see better, there's too many things next to each other, like 2 sunflowers, 2 celosia. The mint smells amazing. And I wish that this bush would be huge already. It's called the smoke bush because I love that foliage. So we are going to take and put it into a little bit smaller. So I'm going to cut those down first. I'm going to get it into this little jelly jar, and then I'm going to go see if I need any more flowers in this bouquet. All right, let's see what we need to work on. This one's drooping. Wonder if it's not getting in the water. So I think I want to go get a couple more of these rudbeckias. And why is that rudbeckia having an issue? We're going to go in full sun for a minute and pick some more of the rudbeckia and maybe coneflower. What about the white daisies? Ooh, that might add an element of fun. Or these yellowish coneflowers would be cool too. Okay, let's pick a couple of these to add to our bouquet. Look at the tall coneflowers. Aren't they awesome? I'm going to add some more rudbeckia. I'm also going to go see if a daisy will throw off the pattern. So I'm just going to cut off one, and then I'm going to add it into here and see if it is what we want. Let's get it as long as we can get it. What do you guys think? Is it going to throw it off? All right, let's add one. And I'm going to have to cut it down more. But I'm trying to decide if I like the colors. I don't know if I do. Do you think it adds to it or takes away from this bouquet? So I think the daisies actually add a little more of a summer feel. So I'm going to add them. I think the white daisies did add to it. And in my eye, I'm seeing a couple pockets that could be filled with something circular. But I don't know if I have any more allium left, or craspedia, maybe straw flower. These are the straw flowers I have left. The more you cut, the more they come. I also have this really pretty pink zinnia. These were all winter sown, except for the dahlia. I put that in later. A winter sown orange cosmos. Is it too different? I don't know. Look at these daylilies. Oh, I gotta get close to that one. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, you are pretty. Okay, I'm adding some winter sown flowers. These rudbeckia were also winter sown. And some of the daisies, I'm not sure if those. I'm wondering if the daisies have some sort of bug because they're weird shape. Anyway, we're going to put these in and we're going to see if it adds or takes away. We do not want it to take away from our bouquet. That bright orange, I'm not sure. But the straw flowers, if they don't work, they can always go in a different bouquet. It needs a little more of these texture. So what it is that this is the valerian that has gone to seed, kind of. I want to put one there. I'm going to go get a couple more. And any spots, maybe just one. So it's this texture. It's so cool. I'm going to add a couple more of these texture elements. And then I'm going to have it go inside and get a nice good drink in the cold AC. I think the texture is so cool on these. So the one thing I'm not digging is this sunflower down here. I'm going to leave it, but these ones just don't face the right way. And then we've got quite a bit of wilt, but it is 1,000 degrees out here. So let me go put this in the AC. I like that. So I added the straw flower. There's one on top, and that one looks like it's starting to wilt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put this in the house where there's lots of nice AC and let it drink up real well. And then I'll do some video later tonight when it's not so hot and show you the final. The final piece. I'm going to add some mint. It smells so good. To any gaps in that bouquet. I'm happy with it. Some of the mint is still wilting a little bit, so hopefully it stops wilting. I added these little, let's see if you can see it. They're weeds that look like wheat, and they're kind of cool, and then I added the spikes.